there's something going down in the corner. Don't get on that box. Alright, get down in front of it and tear the paper off the front. Thanks, baby.
Mm-hmm.
And a screwdriver.
And a screwdriver.
Yeah, back there. Right here.
Where?
Screwdriver. Screwdriver. Screwdriver.
Do not take the bag.
Okay.
Auto Max. I'm not gonna turn.
Well, I wouldn't turn it on. It doesn't have anything in it.
Charging has commenced.
Commence.
Oh, it talks. Changes from red to blue as the place getting cleaner. As they, wow, they missed a whole word in there. As the place is getting cleaner.
Wow. So if you couldn't guess from the beginning of the video, I got a Tineco iFloor S4. Not S4. Jeez. S3. I'm really, really excited about it because even though I clean my floors religiously once, I vacuum twice a week, I mop once. Let's face it, we have 2 dogs who are outside, inside dogs. We have chickens. My husband's a mechanic. The kid doesn't always take his shoes off when he comes in the house. So our floors, I feel like I can never walk around in my bare feet. So I was on TikTok and I saw the 2 comparisons between the Tineco and the Bissell. I had a friend, she had the Tineco and she was like, it was just a lot of cleaning for me to do after. I just ran it one time in my kitchen and it asked for a self-clean because it's a smart vacuum and it cleans itself. Cleans the water tank, cleans the clean water tank to the dirty water tank through the filter. And then after that, you dump the water tank, the dirty water tank, DWT is what it's called. And you run water through it, clean it. But now I'm about to do another pass, not in my kitchen. So I'll bring you along. I have the clean water tank, or CWT as they call it. I guess they're really into initials, it's weird. It's got your max line here to fill it with water. It's not a lot of water, and then a cap full of your solution. They suggest, or rather, they're very adamant about using only Tineco solution in it, as well as do not use hot water. Now our water comes out of our tap pretty freaking hot. So it says the max temperature of your water is 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius. I use warm water, not hot, not cold, just about what you would give a 2-year-old a bath in. And it cleaned my kitchen floors really, really well. So let's fill it up. Last time I put the solution in first and it kind of bubbled up. So I'm going to just fill this with the water first and then put the cap full in. Okay, I have it. It's not all the way at the max. You like my gallon water bottle? Tomorrow, I don't know when this video will go out, but in filming time, tomorrow I am starting the 75 hard, and this is my gallon water bottle, one of many tasks I have to complete every day. It smells really good, clean. Doesn't have like a strong fragrance to it. But let me show you something. I'm walking on the floor in my bare feet. No, I just mopped it, or vacuum mopped it, vomped it. I don't know what the correct terminology will be for that. And it dried pretty quick. So let's go put this clean water tank in. So it's really easy. You just have to tilt it back. So this part goes under the bottom here. And then push your button down. And push it a little bit and it clicks in. Now it's trying to do a self-cleaning mode right now.
Start self-cleaning. Cleaning brush roller.
Let's hold it.
Is that funny? Who's that? Lois. Alright. I'm really hoping that after the first 2 or 3 passes with my Tineco, the water becomes less dirty. Because these floors were disgusting when we moved in. I was very, very pregnant. So my wonderful mom with For Grace Boutique, shout out. If you want some cute clothes, definitely check them out. They're online and on Facebook. Anyways, she came over on her hands and knees, people, and scrubbed my floors. And with me cleaning them as often as I do, I still walk around and have black socks or black feet. And it's just gross. It just goes to show how much crap is on our floors. So I'm really hoping after a couple passes, the watercolor lightens up and my socks look better. I'll be back with a review probably in a couple weeks to let you know. But so far with my first pass in the kitchen, I'm really, really loving it. It wasn't that hard to clean. It came with a little brush as well as this little piece. It's got like a blade on it. It's got a blade on it, I guess to get any like hairs or whatever wrapped around the roller. But it wasn't that hard to clean. The solution smells good. Ignore all the mess behind me. Today's cleaning day. I'm doing laundry and all sorts of stuff. But yeah, I would recommend it as of now. Like I said, it's only my first use. So stay tuned for another review after a couple weeks. I'm gonna get to cleaning the living room now. So the bottom button is your power button, easy on off. Above that is an auto max button. The auto button is for basically autopilot for your floors. Let's say you've used the Tineco several times before, then I'd just probably leave it on auto, but since I've not cleaned my floors with it before, I'm doing max, heavy duty, heavy all the time, because these floors are nasty. So, then the button on the top here is for the self-cleaning whenever you put it on its charging stand. We are currently taking Christmas stuff down, so ignore all of that in the background. It's very lightweight. However, you don't want to take it and lay it completely flat because you don't want the water to go in the motor and kill the motor. So it says on the instructions what angle, but I mean, just kind of use your best judgment. It's very lightweight, and yeah, let's get to cleaning these living room floors. So I've taken the roller off. You want to make sure you clean under here too. Cause see, my first time I'm getting stuff out of it still. So that's part of the reason this is important too, besides just charging. If you like this review, stay tuned. I'll be posting more about it. But also follow our other content, like, subscribe, comment down below, give a big thumbs up. Really helps support this channel. Thanks and have a great day.